How to share your screen on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily share your screen on Google Meet. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up Google Meet application on your phone, or if you are on laptop, you can directly open up Google Meet. And from there, you can just head over and create a new meeting. For that, just tap on this new right here. Now you can just join your meeting right here. Once you create your meeting and start your meeting, you will have different options. So you have to note that if you are a participant and want to share screen, you just have to make sure that the meeting host has allowed sharing on the Google Meet. And if you are the host, then you can do anything on your Google Meet. For sharing your screen, tap on the three lines right here, and you'll see the share screen option. Just tap on it. If you want, you can also share the device audio. I'm not going to do that right now. Tap on continue and tap on start now. Now you will be sharing your screen on Google Meet. So if you go to your home screen and everything, as you can see here, you will be sharing your screen on Google Meet. And it's as easy as that. Now, if you want to stop, just tap on it and tap on share screen again and it will stop. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.